What's going on, guys? I've got a new string vendor here at BigdGuitars, Guitar Authority. Been using these strings for the last 7 or 8 builds, and I gotta tell you, I'm really happy with them. They've got a thicker core. Guitar strings sound awesome. They're nickel plated, made in the USA, and they do a lot of work with vets. And so for me, that is the magic sauce. If you need to buy in bulk, they can sell you packs in bulk, which is awesome. Much better pricing, and made in the USA, supporting another small local business, Guitar Authority. In this video today, we are giving away 5 sets. I've also got a coupon code for 10% off in the description, but wanted to give you guys just a quick rundown of these. These are Guitar Authority 1046 Play with Authority, made in the USA. I've got them strung up on this Buffalo Trace whiskey barrel guitar, and this guitar sounds amazing. I've used about 5 sets of these already, and this set is amazing. This guitar sounds amazing. So I wanted to just share that with you today, share a new vendor, give you a little tone demo here on this Buffalo Trace whiskey barrel guitar. But just a simple giveaway. Again, 5 free sets. Make sure you're subscribed to me. Make sure you leave a comment and we'll give those out. Isaac is a cool dude. We've been trading emails back and forth on when I was gonna post this video. And since I have been having some slowdown on YouTube, I figured I would wait till traffic starts to pick up for the holiday, and we got Veterans Day coming around the corner, so I wanted to just help him out in his business. So let's give you a demo of this Reliance Classic 1046. Again, on my Buffalo Trace whiskey barrel guitar, I am playing through my Legend 50 watt amp with a Celestion speaker. This thing breaks up perfectly. I've got my custom wound BigdGuitars set, a PAF, a little bit hotter humbucker, and then a hot single coil Tele bridge, high mass bridge from Furrow Guitars, wide oak neck, wide oak body. Really doesn't get much better than this. So we'll start rolling back the volume just a little bit so you can hear it. That was the neck. Here's the bridge. I don't know if it makes any sense, but the strings feel tighter. I don't know if you guys will believe that, but I just love the way they feel. Here, we'll go to full volume and crank this out. This guitar sounds awesome. So again, these guitar strings are made in the USA, supporting vets, supporting a small locally owned business. Playwithauthority.com, Guitar Authority. Again, 5 free sets. Leave a comment, make sure you're subscribed. We'll get those out to you. And then there's a discount code as well. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.